Deep inside the control center of the cell, the nucleus, sits your DNA, the ultimate master instruction manual. DNA holds the codes for every single trait you have, from eye color to how your muscles contract.
However, DNA is far too precious and important to leave the safety of the nucleus. If the original copy gets damaged, the whole cell is in trouble.
So, how do we get those instructions out to the rest of the cell? Since DNA cannot leave the nucleus, the cell makes a temporary, disposable photocopy of the instructions needed for a specific job. This photocopy is called mRNA, messenger RNA.
Think of DNA as the original, irreplaceable recipe book locked in a library. Then mRNA is a quick handwritten note of just one recipe page that you can take into the kitchen.
Once copied, the mRNA slips out of the nucleus through microscopic pores and heads into the cell's cytoplasm. Once the mRNA copy arrives in the cytoplasm, it encounters tiny cellular machines called ribosomes.
Ribosomes read the mRNA instructions like a factory assembly line, translating the genetic code. They string together tiny building blocks called amino acids in a very specific, precise order.
Once all the amino acids are linked, the chain folds into a complex 3D shape, creating a fully functional protein.
Proteins are the ultimate worker bees of your body. They build your hair and muscles, speed up chemical reactions as enzymes, and defend you against illness.
Biologists summarize this entire pipeline, how life builds everything from a simple genetic code, in 3 simple steps.
DNA to RNA to protein.
If this helped make cell biology a little clearer for your next science presentation, hit that like button and subscribe for more breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring.